Curiosidades de la música, Nina Simone fue quien llevó aquella canción a la fama. Y eso ha pasado con muchos otros artistas y otras muchas canciones. El Healing Me de Dylan fue popularizado por Johnny Cash, realmente. Y Johnny fue quien lo llevó al número 1 de las listas de country music en su momento.
Chosen speed, I'm not the one you want to be. I'm not the one you need. They say you're looking for someone who's never weak but always strong, to protect you and defend you, whether you are right or wrong. Someone to someone who promised never to part, to gather flowers constantly and to calm each time you call. A love for your life and nothing more but in me. No, 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 in me you're looking for me. Made of stone. I'm not the one you want, babe. Anyway, I'm not alone. You say you're looking for someone to pick you up each time you fall. Someone to close his eyes for you, someone to close his heart. The love for your life and never more in me. No, 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 in me. In me you're looking for. No, 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 in me. In me you're looking for.
Muchas gracias.